We have worked on the extraction of abstraction of the project Auriga, a Mumbai restaurant designed by Sanjay Puri architects. The project depicts bold geometry, dynamic lighting, and material contrasts. For the stage one of the model, the abstraction was defined by the aim, sculptured dynamism of form, contrast of moods shaped by materiality of light, and the rhythmic flow of movement through a continuous interlinking geometry. The intent was to depict the geometry and the dynamic flow and material contrast under the effect of light. The stage 2 was experimenting with paper as medium. The extraction of the project sensibility was seen from a different perspective after feedback from the faculty, and the hero of the project, tessellated planes and dynamism, was prioritized, keeping the previous stage extraction secondary. Paper folding techniques were used to make various iterations that depicted surface dynamism, tessellations, and play of geometry. Stage 3 integrated observations from the paper model to form one abstraction with intent to finalize the kit of parts and test suitable materials. The sentence extraction of this stage was tessellation of planes, dynamic surface, and arrangement of components bring about dynamism. Digital explorations of tessellated dynamic surfaces were then translated into a physical prototype using a metal mesh framework and arranged metal pieces to form tessellated surfaces. Further feedback led to rethinking tessellations for better clarity and a stronger depiction of the extraction statement. The stage 4 process involved both reinforcing basics and experimenting with joineries. In this stage, triangular metal units were cut, drilled, and folded into modular components, then assembled to test flexibility and to create a dynamic tessellated surface. Stage 5 prototype refined the model by adding volume and testing a more stable joinery method. Riveting provided strength, while a wooden base anchored the composition. In the final outcome, after testing various joineries and materials, it was then concluded that the intent of the extraction statement can be best brought about by origami patterns to explore tessellations as a medium and to depict dynamism. So, the final outcome embodies the intent of abstraction, tessellated planes, sculptured dynamism, rhythmic movement, and material contrast unified into one cohesive form.